Hello everyone, in this video I will crush this Niva Travel, which I made from plasticine. With a tank? Yes, this model is all made of very hard NSP plasticine. When the tank crosses the field, the car will be crushed almost like a real one. Since this is still plasticine and this material is soft and easy to break. That is, the body elements will bend and deform under the weight of the tank, which is for kilograms. The roof, the seats in the cabin, the hood and the wheels will bend. We will see all this on the plasticine model of the Niva. Let's get started, this will be interesting. And this is what happened after the first collision with the cornfield. The left side of the roof was bent, traces of tracks formed on it, or rather small pebbles on the tracks that stuck to them. All the roof pillars were cracked, and a piece of the front roof was completely torn off. Noticeable gaps also appeared on the doors. The front fender was slightly dented in the upper part and traces of these stones also formed on the hood. Well, I think it could have been worse, as in beam drive, but the weight of the tank itself is still not enough to really crush the car. On the other hand, there were also gaps on the doors and the front roof pillar was cracked, and the rear wheel became slightly oval. The trunk was also bent on the left side, and the glass made of transparent plastic first bent but then returned to its original shape. It's a pity that plasticine doesn't have this property. In the cabin, the backs of the front seats just lowered. It looked beautiful. Now the roof is completely crushed and all the wheels have become oval. The gaps between the body parts have become even larger. The roof pillars also immediately tilted and the front one completely flew off, as did the right roof rail. It's interesting how the trunk remained the same shape. Apparently it immediately fell to the ground and the tracks were missing from it. Well, this is almost a cake from the cornfield. The doors themselves are tilted, but at the same time they are not bent. There are no cracks on them. Apparently I made them very strong. From above you can see a lot of marks from the tank tracks. The back part was really crushed so well. You can even see the color of the plasticine itself. There is no particular damage to the bottom of the car, except for the tires. And here's what's wrong with the engine. It's still intact. Maybe it was pressed down a little, but it's not very noticeable. At this point, I'll finish crushing the cornfield. Let at least this remain from it. And what's left I'll put on the shelf with the rest of the broken cars. Of course, it was possible to additionally press the tank with your hands to increase the weight, and then it would crush it even more. But it was hot outside and the tank became soft. There was nothing to press it further. Overall, it turned out cool. I hope you also enjoyed watching all this. If you want me to destroy cars with a tank, then put more likes so that I can see that this topic is interesting to you. Subscribe to the channel if you are here for the first time and you are interested in my plasticine creativity. Thank you all for watching. Bye everyone.